Hey guys, Beho here. Today I'm going to share with you how I make a beat inspired by Sik-K's Darling. And this is the track that I made. So let's get it started. First of all, I started with this guitar sample and add some EQ and reverb to it. Electronic guitar chords. And then added a tremolo from a plugin called Infinity Player. Some reverb. Now for the drum. First of all, the 808 kick, the snare, hi-hat, percussions. Arrangement time. Verse. I lower an octave for the guitar sample. I change the chord for the electronic guitar. Pre-chorus. I change the drum for this part. Instead of 808, I change it to live drum. And EQ it. And I add some FX or sound effect before the chorus drop. Bridge. Now for the bridge, I once again tweak the sample. Add new melody. And halftime the drum for the first 4 bar. That's it. This is how I made beat inspired by Sik-K's Darling. Now before I show you the full beat, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit like if you like what you see. Until then, see you next time. Bye.